Okay. I have a turbo pump here, and I'm going to do a test run and show you how what I have for a pump here, because it's the pump and the generator. It's a turbo pump. It's about 165 gallons per minute, and I just wanted to show you. This is a 20-gallon drum water, filled it up. I just want to show you how what kind of pressure that I needed for the old generator. So I'm giving you a little test run here. Alrighty, nobody's filming, so the camera's just hanging out there. So, okay, put this in here. Gotta plug myself in over here. I got gloves on, I got my boots. Okay. I can get zapped here, but okay, here it goes. Alright. Okay. Alright. If you can see that. Oh yeah. There it goes. That's the pump I'm using. 165 gallons per minute. You just seen about 20 gallons go through, what, 5, 6, 7, 8 seconds, I don't know. Anyways, and I'm going to go in there and we're going to set up the pump into the generator and the machine, and we'll take another step after that. Okay, if everything's fine, we're recording, then I put the pump inside the chamber here. It's rigged up so it will hit against this water wheel, the paddles, whatever. Against the big flywheel I have 18-inch. I've already gone through plenty of these and down to a 4-inch that I've gone from 4 to 8. So anyways, we got this lined up so it hits against here. It's going to give the electricity we need, and I'm going to show you how the theory is wrong, and this will run on its own. We've already tested it 3 or 4 times. It's worked. This is the 3rd try today. Let's hope this one works, where I unplug it, put it in here that quick, and we can just continue on here. So I'm going to do a quickie from here to here, from here to here. Okay, it should take only a second. If I can do it in a second or two, she'll stay going. With the momentum that gives from the pump, she'll draw right off there. Okay, so, alright, here we go. We're going to try it again. This is the 3rd time. Okay, here it goes. Okay, let me empty the bucket here. I'm leaking all over the place. That's why I got rubbers on. I got rubber underneath. I could still get fried, but okay. Let me make sure this is ready here. From here to here, here to here, here to here. Okay. All right, here goes. Let me get over here just to move this along. Okay. Alright, it's going pretty good. A little faster. Okay, that's the revolutions I should need right there. Alright, okay. Alright. See if it works. Oh, if I don't get trapped. Okay, she's going. Alright, that's it. Alright. Keep it going. Alright, now that is drawing off its own power right now. Alright, there you go. I mean, there's no outside current right there. It's going on this. There's the power from the house out of here. It's running on its own. Alright, the pump is drawing up the generator, forcing that wheel to turn it. There we go. Check this out, I got nothing here to stop this. This machine is running on its own right now. Alright. All I have to do now is to shut this off, is unplug the plug, and that's it. There it goes. Yeah, I'm just showing you the machine. It's drained out, water's taken out. There's the pump with the paddle, water wheel. Goes down the shaft onto a belt drive. And the belt goes down to the smaller belt drive that hooks to the generator. And I went through quite a few different sizes to get what I needed. So, and the generator itself was rebuilt. We had to send it out to a friend of mine that works on generators, and he did the coil all over. Drilled a couple dozen holes into it, and plus he changed the bearings in that. Put some free-flowing bearings in the generator. Added a couple capacitors and came up with the old what we needed. So basically, it's a simple thing. The pressure I needed for the pump, you know, against the paddle, and down to the shaft, down to the other one, and to the generator. So basically that's it. And then the electricity here, and that's about it. So that's the whole thing together here.